So we have something here. It's called birth control bait for rodents rather than poisoning wildlife. Poison is terrible because it also kills any stray cats who may come in contact with the poisoned animals. It can kill owls, eagles, and any other type of animals. Snakes. See, people being slobs is part of the problem as well. So these are birth control baits you can buy online, cruelty-free, and you don't poison wildlife up the chain in the water. And also cruel glue traps are the worst. Slowly dehydrate birds, squirrels, rodents, which are very amazing animals in themselves. Can do tricks better than dogs, even play basketball. Also can torture and slowly kill insects, butterflies, bees, and any type of animal, lizards. So please, poison bait replace with birth control bait, overpopulate invasive human pests, and ban cruel glue traps, catch and release, sound devices, and other humane methods. Don't poison the animals, share if you can. And yes, humans have doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. We are the invasive pests. Free birth control saves, child-free, organic, vegan is the future.